Welcome back. There's a new public warning coming from the State Bar of Wisconsin, writing this past week, and in no uncertain terms, a quote, constitutional crisis is looming. The group pleading with lawmakers to increase pay for assistant district attorneys and public defenders statewide. Dan Adams is a criminal defense attorney and former prosecutor. It's good to see you. Thanks for being here on Upfront.
You bet.
You have worked on both sides as a prosecutor and as a defense attorney, so take us inside those day-to-day court operations. How does this issue of low staffing and low pay actually translate into what the bar is now calling a constitutional crisis?
It is a huge crisis, and it's really coming to a head across the state. Here in Milwaukee, we just don't have enough prosecutors in the courtroom to prosecute those cases and defenders to come in and be on the other side. So what happens is you have more and more people waiting to be represented. And as they're waiting for counsel to be appointed to them, their case languishes and languishes. You can imagine being accused of a crime, wanting to have some resolution to that, or at least wanting to see what the evidence is against you, or being a victim of a crime, wanting there to be some type of finality in your case. That's simply not happening given the volume of cases that continues to build and build.
Now, we've reported in recent weeks those impacts, trial delays, hearing delays because of some of these issues. We do know also Kurt Komberg, the Dodge County District Attorney, one of the latest district attorneys across the state to resign, writing in his resignation letter some of these issues leading to it. So what's the solution here?
Well, it's simply an HR problem. The state for decades has underfunded the line prosecutors and public defenders. Just because you want to get into criminal law for the state as a state attorney doesn't mean you should take a vow of poverty. And essentially that's what the state has done with the very low salaries starting and the step progression, which has been unfunded for the last several years.
So is the solution here really all rooted in funding?
Unfortunately, yes. I mean, it's a good thing that the state budget is at surplus and so that there's money available. But you just can't have someone coming out of law school, huge student loans, their own personal expenses to pay, and pay them $55,000. I mean, you're not going to attract a lot of attorneys to do that or quality attorneys to take those jobs.
Again, the bar saying that this is now at a breaking point. Where does this go from here?
It is a breaking point. Every day I receive emails from public defender offices in places like Lincoln County. I've never been to Lincoln County, asking me to come and take a case at $70 an hour. You can imagine if they're reaching out to a Milwaukee attorney, they're in some pretty desperate straits to have representation in these rural places.
A lot to come from this. Dan Adams, always good to see you. Thanks for being here, for your insight and your analysis.
You bet.
Up next, more legal sports betting in Wisconsin.